about Quizlet settings that are going to be important that you might need. Okay, if you are on the Quizlet home screen, you click up here in the top right. Again, I have changed my profile picture, so you will see that. I'm going to want to click Settings. Okay, I can choose one of these profile pictures, or what I have done, upload your own photo. You may do that. Night mode, you can turn on and off. Here, this is important. If you have accidentally created a student account and you're a teacher, you can change it here. If you are a student and have accidentally created a teacher account, you can also change it here and click Save. You can change your language, update the email if you want. Okay, here is important. You can change your username. If you regret the decision for the username that you have, you can change your username only once. Notice I've already done that, so I can't change it again. I could, however, revert or go back to my old username. Okay. You can set your preferences for emails and how you appear on Quizlet. If you click this, you will delete your account, so I do not recommend that unless you are absolutely sure.